So I'm gonna go ahead and pull the door handles, the molding on this door, and then the mirror and door handle and molding on the passenger door. Yep, in order to pull the molding, we need to have a power, and there's no engine in this car right now, so I'm gonna show you guys how to do it with the jumper. So in order to remove the handle, you gotta undo them 2 bolts, one here and then one through here, and then undo the clip that holds the latch, the clip up there where that light is shining. Okay, so you see it's on a hinge. You pull up on it, right, and then pop the lever out, and that one is also on a hinge. You push it that way and it comes off, and then it just pops out. That's out. And get that out. That was the lock, and then you undo the bolts and slide the handle out. The handle. You can either do it with the lock, leaving the lock in, or you can take it out with the lock. We're going to take the lock out. Yep, with the handle. So in order to drop the window, and when you don't have power in your car, or no battery, or for no engine or anything for this matter in this one, what you do is get to the window regulator, undo the plug that's connected to it right here, and then set up your jumper like I did over here. You'll have some wires coming connected to it, 2 straight hot wire it pretty much. Okay, that's wrong position. So we switch the wires for it to come down. I think that's enough to get to the bolts that hold the molding. Yep, simple as that. That's how you do that. If you ever need to know that. That's how you drop a window. You pull the seal back, door seal, weather strip, whatever you want to call it, to access the bolts that hold it. You want to use a real good impact, not to strip it, because these bolts tend to strip, are prone to do that. That's a good impact. That was a good one, yes. That's exactly what we wanted. And then the next one. Perfect. Yeah, because these bolts like to strip for some reason. If you don't use the right tools, you will have a nightmare. You'll be drilling them out. So, we just pull it towards you, and it pops out. Just like that. And guys, when you disassemble stuff, This is the best thing ever. Is Ziploc bags labeled so you know where every piece of hardware goes. So we're gonna repeat the same process on the passenger door. Then you want to get a brand new razor blade and removing the plastic protector. Pretty simple on this car. So in order to get to the handle, I'm gonna have to remove all this stuff. So I won't bore you with any of that. Found some more damage. Repair that. Pulling off the rear cover.